Okay.
Me chia so fo ne wo mo maka nyina. Kofi. Nana Akuffo Addo kwa wode Ghana fashion.
I'm told remember Akwanya because menya the images of the supposed flight. Walker beboa me on Facebook page, but I can't independently authenticate that.
I have fact.
No, I'm talking about the video. No, me I was a president. No, the presidential private jet is so high, but there's a pictures that man fortress. This is a flighter. Or you see our team inside near the but as to say, yeah, no one idea. But they are say president. There's all this while private jet, Anna.
And Ghana or my Ghana, your private jet back.
Yeah,
for our president.
For the presidency.
So when no,
but okay, are you surprised? Yes, say this is the supposed jet, Nini, and Bamford then I speculated that. But it's a very luxurious one. Very
there
expensive.
There is no question about that. It's about affordability.
Affordability. Yes, there's a panic withdrawal. Momo fano pay no medin komo. Almost feel very threatened.
Oh, from
this levy. How do we manage the environment after passage? And on mine on sono near me go for Jomo Sisi Ameno Kasi Odike. Bofre. Yeni abo free offer bofre. No am ko top bofre ba come say 5 cities 6 cities. Adan ya say ya tutu ne emem. Na am say na bofre say no ma me say na bra ure fisi. Obusa okay me say bra na
o say
any 12 cities.
O say bra 15 cities.
O say bra na ure fisi. Untie bra na ure fisi eno so ye de faka ya tutu petrol. Na am say Jesus Christ. Just say, is it deliberate attempts a man or should to name mujum? And I say, how do we manage the system? Na near mamra for
Kofi Obana can't be chill.
Also, we may be out to petrol
into a casa or boana no cre.
I no cre, but
that's out to petrol moi. Now on no call you no cofanium a pair na below mo dear. Engines no. Come run the man against no. And on so or Bassadin and fast riding. Atos.
Okay. How do we manage Ghana?
Answer me ko Ghana so no. Rwanda president will make an emphatic statement. Rwanda or say me nuanom Rwanda for me be Germany kasa ho kira ba wiase ntimo ho kire mo na me dada mo. E wiase ho kire no me be ma mo ho atomo. Etimi de ma te petrol so ne. Me tete ne ma nyina so se be ya ahoyeye wiase akomu no. Mo Rwanda for mo nkomu. Sad decision where me take no. Enchirima ebebu amebem. If it is say e wiase kwa ho yeye man che say Rwanda wo se kwa ho yeye. Etimi de me gina o man emamra so.
No dia tete ne so e de amana.
Ama me manfo sabre ya enyema mu ayede no. Mo mfili sa oyaw no. Eti petrol edie yo matetu so hu per Rwanda president statement our making no. Na fato de Nana Akuffo Addo ye no Ghana. Ebra COVID aba. A wona wo se o man ewiase kwa wo yeyem no.
O se me tax me nko.
Na wo de wo tax nkofo try a minute. Kofi Nana Akuffo Addo asa kwa hand playing. Ye pa o chiche mama for sada MPs. Ade ama ye pa makwota ma Nana Akuffo Addo. Ayemo pudo amama pass 11 no. Asanteman mon crofo na mu di mani mo te parliament no o mu tri mo de ankasa Nana Akuffo Addo ayo mo ayi temilale ana anyama ho ya amwa wo mu nya akota na chi se onye ana skana yenya ntwa ye kra no Akuffo Addo asa ha playing do be so che ne se Ghana for mfam ho mo bora me nya second term etimusu no obeye ne mo na pedimu asebio odwene ne manfo on be evu this way da Kofi Asante commercial flight na Nana Akuffo Addo ko Dubai no he was restrained by Dubai authorities say wa Dubai Expo no bia just on far Emirates yes enu ntina okofa commercial flight no enye say na wasesa na adwene after Dubai nyenza ke bi o tu kwan a ekwa set the pace no ekwa beto aso ba wasa ko back akwa fa private jet $18,000 an hour. Nana Addo, I said the way you were brought up, you tete one. I'm saying now you had that bentino. You had your way. A baby are not the upewunya, and now the enemy. It is a no way. It is not the way. Nana Addo, and yes, I'm gonna for expect from you. Now, dear me, your pan say, or man peeping but for to not than Jimmy for Sebi. Dear me, your power woman know, or man peeping but for can be a woman. No, me at the front line MPP for number Bruno Shaws almost so a show mono. One woman yard than a Sabia Jimmy for, and Obian to me Cassa, and an Akuffo Addo ya the ope, and or they say MPP and Ghana. Nasausha, the Rwanda president here. Now we had the Nana Akuffo Addo ya. Clearly say, Nana Addo, onim amemwe hunyansa.
Wonim abro.
I mean, so
that be wonim dear, yeah. I don't know, or so no power, chalk on tomorrow, one for him.
Mebaho. Eti, Kofi. Anya 11 amubeja triano. Listen, Ghana for Muntie. Enya momo na mubeja yen na bema Nana Akuffo Addo. Bibia asesa Ghana for aya mama money na ho na ma ya tisumu ache sa 11 MP for na kopaase a o mama constituency a mebusa mo se ye mo na mo de call parliament na emre ya banse yenye mo a mo de me call me ba beje mo so ma adwen kire wo ma anya o MPs they didn't do it and NDC for no mo ya work out no wo mo boa o mo ni MPP for na hihye ho almost share home because NDC for you almost say
and they disagree.
They make minimum American.
Okay.
The Americans are my make any mammy. What I may bow, I brought mobile town hall meeting or tech, no. Mammy, a jarre, the Oyakin Tampo MP, no. Who make a emphatic statement that very day, and I must send this for compromising. Nan baby, I broke, now you're bad 2-3 months away. But then I must end this for compromising. Or say, Yan this for the Edu, sorry freedom or Yankan na Oma pass mu 11 the don't be pass or can take. That's just a moment because I'm not trying them or cry. Papa, I'm the ambulance base you are Akoma, yeah, a sin of MP. No, Dr. Ben be releases such a patient from a twaba.
But the Wakoko managing of MP, where the Minister for Chieftaincy, yeah, or Western Region.
Fine. Kofi, 11, no, Akuffo Addo at the compare cash flow. I just can't move to Muntiana or Farm. Okay, or per accounts. I just say 11, no, ya jatum. Now, have you this kind of far? Now they are $10 billion. No one will be chedi, huh? Ghana ye be mo bo Akuffo Addo what the Ghana what the papa onyakopo tiasia wo hwe o trimupo boni a Akuffo Addo wa bo a Ghana for ahia 40 say yenya mugidie mfa amra de wa ye no onyame tiase na nkamofo se mo ko akobọ mpa de a enanya do ba win election mpa na ye pese mo bo mo mpa se nyame nyidi osuo nyame mayen se mo mpa nyina akoye de oba win o we na aba na baba ya Ghana say dia ene nyame no anyi David bi o free stress so no omna meje Ghana na Akuffo Addo ye pass 11 wi no e wa no see cross and was in for me nyamu me posam 11 cash flow no de koje $10 billion what the collateral na $10 billion no o mu be ne basa ene ne package odi be kofie
so be yi akwan.
Oh, minua.
Meba.
Aha. Na Ghana kwan ni kwa say you free. Dubai kro mo ska no e kwan ye free. Dubai wo call lances so car ye the sensor e ball car nanim. No what trace car to DVLA. E kwan no nam so nyina na etete efrim. Enu ntira ma omukro mu aye fe no. Na say kwan ya so this ke be yi. Road toll kra wa jaaje. Ye nyi road tax. Ye bibia better than your fresh kana o kwaja be wura kwan mu edi Nana Akuffo Addo scan no pe no mo dia last minute supelele no mo dia twa mumnim no makro na Ghana for mo mama ni na ho te sa abo wo papa wo se ye toboy ye nyina ye toboy Messi enye Chobo enwe Akuffo Addo so. Anya sa subamboni na order na di no nyai.
You understand Chobo?
Chobo.
Oye Chobo, what does it mean? Idea Chobo na person oye.
Me be say me incite people.
And that is a very wrong thing.
And you're wrong.
And you're a platform.
I
will not allow you incite the public against the president.
Now, what incitement?
No, you are using one person. Now using
the incitement.
You're wrong. No, constitution, man, quite say will be a demonstration fine, but a man say incite the public against the leader. You're wrong. Over
interpretation.
Over.
Does it mean, sir, when I'm calling people?
No.
Some demonstration.
Yes.
Am I inciting?
But Odike use the word inciting.
I want to use the word. It's in the right context.
So I'm going one word. Odike, wrong word, and I will not allow you. Thank you. So in the day,
Meba
kutupa so in the day.
Mame kasai.
Kutupa so in the day.
Please.
Odike kutupa so in the day.
Nanado one site.
There is nothing wrong. My point is that no. Pacho. When Odike, you want to be the president of the country, you can have your say. We can attack the actions, the act of the president. President Nujiri said, "Kwanya offers or ubu minor and wow my Ghana." That is your personal. I don't have a problem, but to say you are inciting, I will allow you because it's not the best.
The question is how.
No, not how.
Meba, Messi Kutupa. Choboy. Kofi Asante. Mamenka asema we democracy munchel. Menka so bi nkotu abengu.
Yes.
But you won't say a popular revolt. It is in the constitution.
And what popular revolt means?
Well, it means the Abani and Yempe. And not Pakistan. Listen, Pakistan. Prime Minister Naba Bontin say, what it is say, among forcing a memoye, I'm a parliamentarians be correct. It will go early elections. Now you say, some pemi and amon pemi. That is a mark of a leader.
Akoma FM.
Because I'm telling my ma, I don't know.
Ghana, your constitution.
Please allow me.
Ghana, your constitution. You are near ma and Maya de early election. You don't come and say, Odike, you want to be a president.
Let's me fasa ni Ghana for. Me fasa me di Ghana for da. For Christ's sake. So come be obi da form. Obi cry and kwa unya enamutum. Na president. What fu play? Why Ghana for and show our displeasure. What's the matter? Na mupo mechichi musaji levy. Na mi jibi amasa high play. Kofi Asante. Look, so be muwa on. Nana Akuffo Addo doesn't respect Ghanaians. And for that matter, people like us. Now me make a beer knife for me to my day. Nana Akuffo Addo one contract piece from say we should take clue from what is happening in Tunisia. Yanda na a born and no more no. Majete na do so ama ni tima ekoto na o ya niam se fata eche Ghana for.
Odike.
Kofi Asante.
Thank you.
Adia wa me bufu ofu no.
No.
to na me sesa na do Germany mu a kapoto.
Mpacho ya mani me gina wanim. Thank you. Francois Mamintio. Odike, your time is up. Thank you very much. Your time is up. I am not the president. I don't know about many. Me I'm your president. Huh? Why? Why? Tobas na pressure. Tobas na benya pressure.
Kofi Asante.
Yes. Tobas na benya pressure.
Na do wa wrong. Say dey sia shema bufuo no. Yeah, na do yen say dey sia shema bufuo no. Ha, e come the deep boys. E come the boys.
Yes.
And the Nana Akuffo Addo the Ghana scare wrong. Kofi Asante, you don't have idea. Akase minsu.
Hey.
Kofi Asante akase minsu. Mi do suru Nyankopon. Ah boy nyina se mema. Nana Akuffo Addo, na me fa ho nchew.
Akoma FM.
François.
Kofi sa ho ye.
Me nyame adome ho ye.